fans in red and green. And the students at the University Bell don't have school today because it is the Feast of the Black Nazarenes.
Happy Feast Day. Sabi ng mga taga-Quiapo. The Master expecting about 10 million devotees today.
Wow.
No?
And the U-Belt is already a very busy place to begin with. Let's resume this volleyball game between FEU and UE. Another service ace for FEU. They started off with an ace courtesy of Giselle C.
Now it's Eulalio on the line, and he's coming from her to start this first set again after the second technical timeout.
FEU looking for their first set victory since sweeping UP in their second game of the season. I don't think that's happened in a while.
For FEU, it's true.
3 straight games and swept in all of those games.
Timeout, the Warriors.
Coach Boy Dalistan has his hands on his forehead, visibly frustrated. Let's see what he has to say.
Guys, ano ba? Simple lang naman ang gagawin natin, di ba? Tatrabahuhin lang naman natin. Isipin lang natin na kaya natin sila. Kasi sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, lagi na lang ang mentalidad natin, lagi tayo dun sa baba. Wag nga eh. Pilitin nga natin, iakit natin yung sarili natin sa taas. Ito na yung pagkakataon na pwede naman natin silang talunin eh. Ang problema lang sa atin, ayaw nating kumilos. Puro tayo nakaistaka. Kalabitin nyo yung sarili nyo. Kalabitin nyo yung sarili nyo. Wala akong sasabihin, wala akong ibibigay na play. Ang gigisingin ko lang kayo. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Alay the victory. Alay the victory. Come on, go.
Okay. So more motivation coming from Coach Boy, nothing from yung skills nandyan eh. Walang concrete play. In fact, sabi niya, gigisingin ko lang kayo. And maybe because he knows na in practice, hindi naman ganito yung ginagalaw nila. And then, kanina yon na-mention niya rin sa akin yon, ang mahirap daw dito sa UE because when they come in the arena, nakita na yung mga tao, narinig na yung mga drums, nag-iiba daw yung laro. So sabi ko naman, Coach, ang ilang years na rin naman tayo na dito, di ba? So yun na nga, actually, yun din ang sinasabi niya. So, they just have to get used to the environment.
And it's got to be frustrating for UE. Like what we're seeing right now, FEU is pulling away. In their last game, they already took a step forward, sticking close to their opponent. And right now, it seems that they're taking a step back once again.
And what Coach Boy probably wants is that feeling niya nga ang FEU at this point, medyo hindi the same FEU squad. So he wants to take advantage of the situation. But instead, again, UE will just fold up to, sabi niya, pag nakaharap na rin yung malalakas na teams, nagiging iba yung ano nila, yung game nila. So, this is what Coach Boy wants to his squad to overcome.
He wants his team to take this opportunity to strike against a very vulnerable FEU side at this point. But a win by FEU here today could bring back that confidence.
That's right. Yun naman on the side of Coach Kate Santos. He wants to bring back that spunk, that spirit, that FEU spirit na dati naman we'd always see them with Rachel Andakis. Diba? Talagang very happy volleyball also for FEU. But now, yung, at least in the last game, hindi mo nakita yun eh. No game faces for FEU. Just really flat. They tried on the third set but hindi pa rin kaya. But now, yun nga, I think they're more aggressive now. And si Coach Kid, even before the game, sabi niya, I really think they will play better today.
But then during the interviews, we saw Judy's interview with Tony Basas. She seemed like she was shaky with her words. The demeanor is very sad.
Well, it's already college ball. So you gotta have some sort of yung professionalism. Dapat going there ka na. It doesn't matter kung sinong coach ang nandyan. It's really your game. In fact, on the other side, Coach Boy Dalistan was also telling them, yun ang mahirap. When you're the coach, you can only say so much. But when they step inside the court, it's really just their game. Which is true. I agree.
Masangkay goes to Nebrida. We were talking about her before this game, and she gets denied by that double block collaboration on the FEU side. Let's watch it once again. Rojas right there.
Well, Nebrida, a little bit quiet in this game. Remember, she had 12 points, all from spikes. So, alam natin that she is one brave warrior. Kaya kung ako naman dun sa setter nila na si Masangkay, bubugbugin ko na or bibigay ko na dito kay Nebrida. And she's always willing to take it.
The same way that Masangkay sets up most of the balls for Sarina Bulan. That time, showing some variety, going for that running hit with Dawis. Nebrida goes off speed. It works once again. There's that variety of the hits that we were talking about from Nebrida.
Very simple. No one there for FEU. Agna tried. It's late.
23-18. Giselle C had to adjust for that set. Masangkay goes to the other side. Double block was there for FEU.
Right, totally reading that play of UE.
Now the Lady Tams have arrived at set point. On the verge of winning their first set since December 8th. Oh!
Dawson sending it right into the net.
So they are leaving the door open for UE, who can still reach the 20-point mark.
That's right, and they have a full front line.
But then, of course, the important thing is to actually win a set, something that FEU has done once again in, wow, actually more than a month already. For the first time in more than a month and a day, FEU wins a set. They take the first set against UE 25-19. Set number 2 coming up. You're watching UAAP Season 75 Women's Volleyball action brought to you by ABS-CBN Sports.